Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is coming after a long time because see, honestly speaking, there have a lot of boxes that have come lately. Here's one, and then we've got another one right here, and then we've got another one. So yeah, there are a lot of boxes that are pending and haven't got the time to unbox them. So we'll begin with one right now, and let's see what are the contents of this one, because honestly I've lost track of what all has come. So here we go. So guys, this is what has emerged from the box, and so this is actually a mixture of Hot Wheels and some other scale models. All of them are 64 scale. So I'll begin with the first, and this is actually the Ford Hot Wheels Transit Connect, the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. And the reason I got this, it has D written on top. It's an art car. It's from the art car series, and I thought it will make a good addition to my collection, especially because the name is DS collection. So I have got a Transit van, I believe, same model, different color. I think it's in yellow, and that has S written on top. So these two will make a nice pair. If I find a picture, I'll attach it. I'll make a picture in picture. So that's the first one. The second one is actually very special, and we'll make a detailed unboxing about this, because this is none other than the Range Rover. Yes, this is the new Range Rover, the new shape Range Rover, and this is by my favorite manufacturer, which is LCD. And I've got LCD in multiple scales, and they make excellent cars. If you have LCD cars, then you already know about them. If you do not have LCD cars, you should definitely check them out. Right now, they consider this to be a sneak peek, because I'm just showing you what this car looks like right now. And this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging is also quite lit, because it's a premium brand, and these are super expensive and also super well detailed. It's a mini heart attack every time you drop it, but yeah, I just love this one. So we'll unbox it later. Then I can see some other Hot Wheels. This is the Toyota Supra, and so this is actually the Lamborghini Sian FKP37, and really like these two. These two are some of the most sought after castings from the case which had come, because this looks really nice in orange, and the red Supra, and this has got the pop-up lights. So these two look really good, and the Sian has got pretty well detailed rear as well, with the exhaust and the tail lamps and everything. So these two are highly recommended. If you get the chance, if you pick these up in stores, if you go peg hunting, you should go for it. Okay, so here's a cute one. Just got a thing for these, you know, I just collect random cars, and this is one of them. This is the Sweet Driver, and it's actually a donut. Yeah, it's a donut, and as unbelievable as that sounds, it's actually a donut on wheels, and it's called Sweet Driver. You can see in the picture, it's literally a donut, and I loved it. So interesting one. This one is for the funky section. When I'm building a display, this will be in the funky section. Batman Forever Batmobile. This is one model that I had not got from this case so far, and I've got a lot of Batmobiles, so that's why I picked this up. And this one is from Batman Forever. You can see the tag right here. So yeah, I really like the color and everything, and if you see the exhaust, it's in this chrome finish, so it looks really good. And the paint finish also, it's matte, so it's a good addition in my eyes. Let me know what you would think about it. Then we've got the Lucid Air, and if you do not know much about the Lucid Air, you should know that this is one of the electric vehicles which has the highest range. This is one of the maximum ranges out of all the electric vehicles out there. The front of this car is quite similar to what Hyundai has launched in the new Verna in India, and a lot of people think that the Verna has been inspired by this. So if you like that kind of shape, if you like all that, then this is a good addition. I really like the details from the front and the back, and the black color and the wheels. So if you remember the wheels, we used to get these wheels in the Model X, so like this model. And eventually we come on to the Mitsubishi Pajero Evo. Now the Pajero Evo is a wonderful car, and Hot Wheels has done a really good job making its casting, because the red color is really iconic. It looks really good, and it's got the rally art livery, and it's got the white classic wheels. I mean, the wheels look pretty good on this. So for once, a Hot Wheels mainline having decent wheels. You can swap these though for chunkier tires. That's totally your call. The front detailing is actually quite good. If you look at this, the front detailing is very good, and at the rear you do not have much detailing, but you've got the spare wheel, which adds to the beauty of the car. The top is quite bland, but all in all, I believe that this is a very good looking Hot Wheels mainline, and if you get the chance, you should pick this up. So this was the first box that arrived today, that I got the chance to unbox today actually. And so these are, you know, a lot of cars. This one is obviously everyone's favorite, because this is all the Hot Wheels combined are probably costing half of this, or maybe even less, or maybe 1/3. So this one I'll make a special unboxing later on, and the rest you've already seen. Let me know which one is your favorite, and are you planning to buy any? Have you bought any? Do you have any feedbacks, or do you have any suggestions which one I should try and unbox? If you want to see unboxing of any out of all of these, you know, I'll make one of the Range Rover as promised, but out of these, if you like any, then just let me know So if you like any of these, and if you want to watch an unboxing of any of these, let me know. I'll try to film one. Thank you for watching.